Want to add a professional touch to your image with a Vignette effect? Here's how to do it in BeFunky. First, open your image in the BeFunky editor. In the left toolbar, click on the Vignette effect. Adjust the slider to control the strength of the vignette. You can choose to have a soft or strong darkening effect around the edges. Move the circular marks to position it according to the center of your image, ensuring the focus remains on your subject. Once you are happy with how it looks, click Apply to finalize the effect. A subtle vignette effect works wonders for portraits, helping to bring attention to the subject. Have you used the vignette effect before? Let me know how it transformed your image. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.